Hello, I'm Dr. Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and today I'd like to talk about dog eye care. Together with my assistant Ariana, who's going to be asking some questions, together we hope to help you understand more about why it's so important to take care of your dog's eyes.
Dr. Caldwell, what is the most important thing when it comes to taking care of my dog's eyes?
The most important things when it comes to taking care of your dog's eyes is that whether your pup is under the care of a veterinarian or not, if you have any concerns about the eyes, you immediately bring it up to your veterinarian.
How does proper eye care impact the health and well being of my dog?
Proper eye care is going to affect every aspect of your animal's day. If there's eye pain due to some sort of issue, of course, that's going to affect them. If there's vision problems, well, that's going to affect them as well. And so these things really affect every aspect of their day.
Should I bring my dog in to see a veterinarian if I suspect a vision problem?
You should absolutely bring your dog into a veterinarian if you suspect vision problems. Vision problems can be caused by all sorts of things in these guys. It can be an infection. You could have a cataract. You could have normal age change. You could also have something more severe, neurological issues going on. And so if you have any of those concerns, definitely bring it up with your vet so we can find out what's going on.
What are some signs and symptoms that my dog may have eye issues?
Some signs and symptoms, they can vary dramatically. It could be something as simple as a little bit of extra clear tearing coming from one or both eyes. You could have colored discharge from the eyes as well. So if you have yellow, green, or white discharge, that could be evidence of an infection. If you see squinting, if you see pawing at the eyes, those could all be evidence. Redness of the eye can be indication that there's something going on. A lot of you have heard about a cherry eye in dogs. A cherry eye is a prolapsed third eyelid, and so dogs have an extra eyelid that you and I don't have. Kind of sits at the base or in the inside corner of the eye right next to the nose, and that can protrude out in some cases. Dogs can also get an ulcer on their eye, which is a scratch on their eye. So those are all things that can cause them problems and be indications of it.
Why is it important to avoid self diagnosing dog eye issues?
It's going to be important to avoid self-diagnosing dog eye issues because there are so many things that can cause eye issues in dogs. And if we don't get the proper course of treatment early, then a lot of these conditions can get worse.
How will a veterinarian diagnose a problem with vision or other eye issues in my dog?
A veterinarian is going to be able to diagnose vision issues by doing a couple different tests. We can do what's called a menace reflex, where we can check to see if they blink. We can have them track certain objects. If we are diagnosing any sort of infection, of course, we can always take swabs. We can stain the eye to see if we have an ulcer. And of course, we also have a little magnifying glass that we're able to look in that eye with as well.
Why is early detection and diagnosis of problems with the dog's eye so important?
Early diagnosis is going to be crucial for all sorts of problems because the earlier we can catch something, the less damage it does, and the faster we can get it resolved. Well, I hope this answers your questions. If you have any others, give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.